So it's officially raining right now. Nick, how you doing over there? He's trying. Let's see if we can zoom in. Almost. We're going in the car. We made it in the car. Right, Nick?
Yup, safe zone.
Yep. The safe so far. But out there is the weather. You can tell I'm really bored today. That was lightning. I just figured I'd make a random video of us cooking outside and then it started thunderstorming. So if it's not the most exciting, I'm sorry, but always stay tuned. I have other shit coming up soon, so yeah. That was cool. Alright, well the food's done, so time to go eat, but once again, it was a pretty decent storm. And we're outside view of the storm. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist. Oh shit, I just saw a cool lightning bolt and you guys didn't, but I tried.